In this video, we will show you how to make a profit of $100,000 in crypto, fast. To make the road to your first $100,000 easier for you, we have selected 5 crypto gems for you to invest in. An investment of just $1,000 is enough if you can hit one of these nice multipliers presented in this video. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first project we would like to highlight called BitTensor. The BitTensor protocol, also known as Tau, is a decentralized and blockchain-based network that offers a promising solution to the challenges of collaborative machine learning. The protocol is designed to enable users to share their knowledge and expertise in a collaborative, transparent, and rewarding environment. With the BitTensor protocol, the primary objective is to create a robust market for artificial intelligence, where producers and consumers can interact in an incentivized and open context. By leveraging a distributed ledger, the protocol aims to ensure optimal efficiency in AI technology development and distribution. The BitTensor protocol also offers a set of unique features that set it apart from other blockchain-based networks. For example, the protocol facilitates open ownership and access, promoting decentralized governance and the harnessing of globally distributed resources of computing power and innovation within an incentivized framework. Furthermore, one of the most exciting aspects of the BitTensor protocol is the open-source repository of machine intelligence that is accessible to anyone. This feature creates opportunities for users to contribute to the development of machine intelligence while also benefiting from the network's reward system. Overall, the BitTensor protocol presents a compelling case for a future where collaborative machine learning can flourish in a decentralized and incentivized environment, promoting innovation and creativity on a global scale. The protocol's unique features and focus on incentivization make it a promising solution for the challenges of collaborative machine learning, ensuring that the network is sustainable and accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or expertise. BitTensor currently has a market cap of $250 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of $8 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a 32x from here. Our second project we would like to highlight is Kaspa. Kaspa is the first GhostDAG protocol-based proof-of-work project. Unlike traditional blockchains, GhostDAG does not neglect parallel blocks. Instead, it allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. Essentially, Kaspa is the Bitcoin consensus in its simplest form. To achieve full decentralization, Kaspa is community-based and open-sourced. It uses a unique consensus mechanism that combines proof-of-work and proof-of-capacity. Proof-of-work is a consensus mechanism commonly used to verify new Bitcoin transactions, which involves solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Proof-of-capacity, on the other hand, is a newer consensus mechanism that uses hard disk space to mine new blocks. This means that Kaspa can be mined using a standard hard drive, making it more accessible to a wider range of users. The team behind Kaspa includes experienced developers and engineers who have worked on other successful blockchain projects. This has helped to ensure that Kaspa is built on a solid foundation and has the potential to become a major player in the world of cryptocurrencies. Kaspa has several unique features that set it apart from other cryptocurrencies. One of the most notable features is its scalability. Kaspa differentiates itself from others like Bitcoin by providing an unlimited block size, which allows for more transactions to be processed at any given time. By focusing heavily on content creation, Kaspa has created a platform that is highly attractive to creators of all types. Using Kaspa, creators can publish their content and receive payments directly from their audience. The decentralized nature of Kaspa's marketplace also ensures that creators have complete control over their content and the revenue generated from it. This added level of transparency and control has made Kaspa an increasingly popular choice among creators and users alike. Kaspa currently has a market cap of $700 million. With the big brain people behind Kaspa, a market cap of at least $50 billion is not crazy to think of in the next bull run. That is a nice 71x from here. As our third project of this video, we would like to highlight Nakamoto Games. The prospect of making money while playing games has become increasingly popular among gamers. This has led to the rise of play-to-earn games like Axie Infinity. Nakamoto Games is a blockchain-based gaming platform that has caught the attention of many players. The platform offers a variety of games that allow players to earn a steady stream of income. To participate in the games, players need to connect their Web3 wallet that holds Naka tokens before choosing a game to play. The Naka token is the utility token of the platform. Players need Naka to power the games and to purchase special weapons or features for certain games. To maintain the token's economic stability and deflationary structure, Naka will be partially burned as more Naka tokens are added to the reward pool. Additionally, Naka will set up a governance system that will allow participants to vote on different proposals, such as burning Naka tokens. Apart from the platform, Naka has its own metaverse called Nakaverse. This metaverse offers players an immersive gaming experience with play-to-earn games from the platform and more. The metaverse also includes shops, restaurants, and digital land plots for sale. Owners of these land plots will have the advantage of creating valuable resources faster than other players, making it a valuable investment for players looking to earn a steady income through play-to-earn games. In conclusion, with a variety of games, a deflationary token structure, and a unique metaverse, Nakamoto Games is definitely a project to keep an eye on for those interested in play-to-earn gaming. Nakamoto Games currently has a market cap of 25 million. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of 4 billion can be reached in a bull run. That is a crazy 160x from here. As our fourth project of this video, we would like to highlight Render Token. Render Token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. Leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access the powerful computers needed for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network and create or rent out computational resources to speed up the rendering process. Render acts as a bridge between creatives and render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, allowing them to work together harmoniously and make rendering faster, easier, and more secure. Render also facilitates the crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all. Render Token's GPU-powered renders are not limited to film production. They are also applicable for video game design, VR experiences, and beyond, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. In addition to incentivizing people to join the network, Render Tokens can also be used to purchase computing resources within the Render network. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional resources with Render Tokens, users are rewarded for their participation. This token reward system not only helps to benefit creators and render nodes, but also incentivizes users to hold on to their tokens as their value increases with increased demand. As such, this system is designed to not only promote a healthy and prosperous render network, but also to encourage users to invest in and participate in the growth of the network, helping to drive success for all involved. Overall, Render Token creates an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. With its efficient and secure platform, Render Token is well-positioned to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry and AI space. Render currently has a market cap of 530 million. Render is a unique project, and it will see a nice pump in the next bull run. We think that a market cap of 25 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a 47x from here. As our final project of this video, we present you Injective Protocol. Injective is a decentralized exchange that offers cross-chain margin trading, derivatives, and Forex futures trading. Unlike other popular decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or Bancor, Injective does not use an automated market maker formula to manage liquidity. Instead, it follows the order book model widely used for years across centralized stock and crypto exchanges. This way, Injective aims to match the efficiency of traditional finance with the transparency of decentralized exchanges. Instead of paying network gas fees to execute each transaction, Injective traders only pay standard market maker and taker fees using Injective coins. Injective coins also serve as the platform's governance token and staking mechanism to power Injective's proof-of-stake-based blockchain. Injective Protocol comprises several components that support the functionality and development of its decentralized exchange. The Injective chain is a decentralized exchange built on Cosmos that allows for the transferring and trading of Ethereum tokens. This chain aims to address the scaling and throughput limitations experienced by many Layer 1 blockchains, while still allowing developers to use the Ethereum development kits they are familiar with. Injective Hub is the dashboard that provides users with an overview and functionality to make the most of the Injective protocol. Users can access the Injective Hub to stake their Injective and become network validators tasked with upholding the security of the proof-of-stake blockchain. Injective holders can also choose to delegate their tokens to network validators and earn a percentage of their rewards in return. Injective has done a fantastic job at revolutionizing the way decentralization and scalability are achieved in the blockchain space. Furthermore, the team's commitment to innovation and their willingness to continuously improve their platform, combined with their strong partnerships, put them in a great position to succeed in the long term. Injective currently has a market cap of 600 million. A market cap of 30 billion is doable in a bull run for this unique project. That is a solid 50x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.